Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your account has voicemail enabled by your admin, then sign into Webex. Once signed in, open the Calls tab or the Settings menu where voicemail lives. You'll see voicemail or messages, select it to begin setup. Do this now so you're working in the right place. It saves time later. Make sure your device has a stable network connection because the upload of greetings and settings requires a reliable link. Now configure the core options. Record a personal greeting or upload an MP3 if you prefer higher quality. The Y is clarity for callers. Next, enable voicemail to email and choose MP3 or WAV so messages arrive in a usable format. Then set ring time and caller ID handling. This determines how long the phone rings before voicemail answers. Once done, review message retention settings so old voicemails aren't deleted prematurely. This prevents accidental loss of important info. Finish by saving your settings and leaving a test voicemail from another line so you can verify greeting, audio quality, and notifications. If you don't receive a test message, make sure voicemail forwarding rules and your email spam folder are checked because filters often block delivery. If problems persist, restart the app or clear its cache. This often resolves sync issues. Finally, contact your IT admin to confirm permissions and provisioning. Without proper account provisioning, voicemail features won't behave.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.